Astronomers discovered that dying stars literally sneeze out the building blocks of planets before they explode. When massive stars reach their final moments, they don't just quietly fade away. Instead, they experience violent hiccups that shoot out perfectly sized dust particles into space. These cosmic sneezes happen in rhythmic patterns, almost like the star is breathing its last breaths. Here's the mind-blowing part. Without these stellar death rattles, rocky planets like Earth could never form. Every grain of sand, every mountain, every atom in your body exists because a star somewhere in the universe had its final sneeze billions of years ago.